There's something really special about slowly making a house feel like home. Not everything has to be new or perfect. Sometimes the most meaningful pieces are the ones with a little history and a fresh touch of love. I recently scored a gem at the thrift store, and I can't wait to give it a new life as we slowly turn our new house into a home, one cozy corner and one small project at a time. Thank you.
Is it like this?
No. It's a cable stick.
You're funny. Okay, I got the key out with you.
And a measure too?
Yeah, will you hold it up against that cabinet for me?
What's that? This?
Yep. Alright, so we'll start like right here.
Okay.
You want eggs?
Sure.
I mean, you want some eggs?
No. No, sir. Oh, thank you.
Okay.
You could go as wide as like 59, probably 60. All right. Time is 8:45. Let's get dressed. Going on an adventure. I might be going on a pointless journey. We'll find out. While I was editing a recent thrift trip, in the background, I saw the perfect piece for our dining room. Hopefully the piece is still there. I'm saying all of this. Rowan and I are in the car. We're about to go drive 45 minutes to see if this piece is still there. Fingers crossed. Yeah, let's go on the adventure. I did the measurements. I have a measuring tape. And, I don't know. Let's go. It's also supposed to rain today, so hopefully I can get it in the car loaded and home before it rains.
Oh my gosh, it's actually still here. Stop. It is $70. And actually, I really like, I might get these little candlesticks too.
Oh my gosh, I'm freaking out. It was still there. But yellow tag, my hands are like shaking. I'm like, I can't believe I just scored this deal. Yellow tag, it was $69. Yellow tags for 50% off. It was 50% off. So I got the cabinet, and then there were these two like crystal candle holders that were in them that were really pretty, that were like $2 each. My heart is pounding. I'm so excited. They're gonna load it into the truck, so I literally just rode in the car, and we're gonna pull around and get it, and I'm so excited. It probably will rain on me, but I brought like the coverings and like cushions and stuff for it, so hopefully we'll be good. My heart is like beating out of my chest. I'm so excited.
You can't lift it more than an inch. We're in.
We're in? Yeah, so I was originally thinking of sanding it in the yard so we didn't have all the sanding particles, but I think it's so heavy.
Oh, the sander has a, it's not perfect, but it has like a little back catcher on it.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna do have the shop vac. Vacuum out here. What's the power cord for?
I think there's a light in here. Yeah. Well, there's no bulb, but you can put like a dimly lit bulb in there.
Oh, cool.
And it was like glow. Do you like it?
I do. It's definitely a fixer-upper, but
Yeah.
it's got good bones. Oh, really?
I think you can gel stain it. Yeah, that's perfect.
It's not real wood. You can still paint it, right?
Yeah, then I just paint it black. And then I don't feel bad about painting it black. I was like, if it's solid wood, there's something about painting like a solid wood piece that hurts my heart, but
Yeah.
if it's not, then just paint it.
See, come back here. Doesn't that look like photocopier?
Sometimes they do like a little bit of real wood right there.
Uh-huh.
And then I'll probably just get different holes so that they pop a little more, like a little brighter. Not gold, but just a little brighter.
Right.
Just had some spoil going on. But yeah, like imagine that black.
Yeah, oh, yeah, really
So
nice.
good. And then there's two glass shelves that go right there.
Gotcha. Cool. All for $48.
$35.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's a fun project.
Yeah. Okay, today's the day. It's finally stopped raining. It's not supposed to rain at all for the next couple of days. The fun part about thrifted pieces, you never know what kind of mystery photos and Christmas cards you might find. Alright, first things first, I removed most of the hardware, just the old holes. Now we're going to start sanding. I have my glasses on to protect the eyes. I'm going to put on a mask as well to protect the lungs. I'm starting out with an 80 grit. Originally I was thinking 120, but I have 80 on hand, so I'm going to try that and hope that it is not too coarse. I'm just going to try a little tester on the side before I begin. Alright, I did a little more than just a little section, but I think the 80 should be okay. And this is why we wear protective eyewear and a mask. I'm covered in dust. Hi! When you get a minute, would you come down here and just hold the piece? I'm gonna get the blower and just blow it, get all the dust off, but I'm scared I'll just knock it over and all the glass will break. Okay. No rush. So unfortunately, my hand sander couldn't quite reach every single area, so the spots that it missed, the smaller spots that it missed, I just had to go in and hand sand. I wiped any additional sand from the sanding off of the damp cloth, filled any cracks or dings with some wood filler, sanded one more time with a finer grit, and then I was ready to stain. So we have a lot of wood elements in our house. Our cabinets are wood, the floors are wood, the dining table is another type of wood, which we love. That's what we wanted. I love like the coziness of that. So I knew that this piece had to pop, and I think that's why I missed it in the thrift store originally. It was because I wanted a black piece that just popped. So because it's a mix of MDF and real wood, so I'm gonna try this gel stain in jet black, trying to help still keep it look like wood and interesting, not just completely wash out all the character with paint. But if I have to, I might we'll use paint as a last resort. So I'm gonna try this gel stain. Again, I'm just gonna start on the side with my tester area. Thankfully my brain kicked in at some point and I remembered to tape off the glass to not get stained on the glass. so good. The gel stain was definitely the way to go. Love the gel stain because it just preserves the grain of the wood. It still looks like a wooden piece. It's coming along so good. I'm so happy with it. Still gotta finish like the front and the shelves. I'm so glad I wore gloves though, because I have 2 holes in these and I only had 1 set of gloves and I was like, oh, that's no problem because I won't even use this hand. So, okay.
I just gotta take that towel out. I'll lift it up and you can just kick it under.
Isn't it crazy how like sometimes putting furniture in a room will make it look bigger?
Yeah, yeah.
Because you think like there's no way it could fit a piece of furniture right here. There would be no room. And it looks bigger.
Yeah, that's gonna be nice.
What do you think? Cool.
Looks good. Good job.
Thanks. Moment of truth, having to take the tape off. So I did 3 coats of this sealant in satin, and now I'm wondering if like it's too shiny, if there's too much of a sheen, and if I should have done it in matte. So I'm contemplating that. Would love to know, maybe it's coming off okay on camera. I got the prettiest hardware. I love gold, but I went with bronze because I felt like it would be less harsh and still give the piece some character. Have a little basket of things that I've just collected around the house of decor to put in the cabinet. I have been wanting one of these cabinets, so I've been looking at the thrift store for different things. I want it to be like style, but I also want it to be purposeful. Like if there's pretty plates that we have, kind of change things out seasonally, showcase things. So I'm just gonna place some of these items, style it a little bit, and there we go.
This thrift flip has been one of my favorite projects so far. Even though it was a little rough around the edges, I'm so glad I was able to see its potential. With a little bit of love, it's now a piece that is not only beautiful, but also brings warmth and personality into our space.